yo, it's Cinderella Sew. What up? Today I'm going to show you how to cut the band off the bottom of a sweater. And this is what it looks like when it's all done. So you're going to lay your sweater out flat and you want this bottom band to meet together, the top part and the bottom part to be perfectly in line. So make sure they're perfectly stacked on top of each other. Make sure there's no wrinkles along this bottom area on top of the band. Good fabric scissors. Start cutting from one side and we're going to stop in the middle. So you'll just start above the band and we're cutting through both layers at the same time, and now we'll stop in the middle. What you're going to do is fold the band over and match it up with the other side, and this will show you where to cut completely across the sweater so that you know it's nice and even. So you can go right back in with your scissors and using that guide cut along very close to where that sweater piece is lying there. This just makes sure it's nice and symmetrical across. Now when you pull, it's going to roll up a bit, and that's a good thing. That's just what cotton does, and this won't fray. It's just going to stay like that. So now you have the band off the bottom. Let's try it on and see how it looks. So now we're all done. So now we don't have the band on the bottom anymore, and it's nice and loose and hangs like that. So easy. Thank you so much for watching Cinderella Sew, and I'll see you soon. Peace.